Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on NBA Live. Playing with a friend locally is a fantastic way to enjoy the game. First, ensure you have two controllers connected to your console. From the main menu, you will select a game mode that allows for multiple local players. Then, you and your friend can pick your favorite teams and decide if you want to play together or against each other on the virtual court. It's a straightforward process to get started. The quickest way to jump into a two-player game is by selecting the Play Now or Tip-Off mode from the main menu. Once there, you and your friend can each choose your desired NBA teams. The game will prompt you to assign a controller to each player slot, allowing you to play on the same team or as opponents. After confirming your game settings, like quarter length, you are ready to hit the hardwood for some exciting basketball action. Beyond quick matches, NBA Live often provides other engaging modes for two players. You might find options like Live Run or Street Challenges, where you can team up with your friend against computer opponents or other players. Some versions even allow for multiple users in a franchise mode, letting you manage and play through seasons together. These modes can offer diverse experiences, from intense 3 versus 3 street games to full 5 versus 5 NBA contests. To ensure a smooth two-player experience, always check that both controllers are fully charged before starting. Effective communication with your teammate can lead to incredible plays and victories. Don't hesitate to experiment with various teams and their unique play styles to discover new strategies. Whether you are competing head-to-head or working together, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the thrill of NBA Live with a friend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.